to show you guys that I had 50,000 miles OEM rear shocks on the 2016 Canyon, and a bunch of people couldn't believe that they were blown out already, so kind of wanted to just show you that even with low miles you can still have bad shocks, so definitely want to check them out before you ruin your tires like I did. So you can see I can compress it very easily with one hand, and here's our extension. I don't know if you guys can see how slow that's going. Actually, it just stopped. So yeah. Yeah, so pretty easy to compress and very slow extension, and then it just stops. So all bad.